Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Adrian Muresan from Officine Mario Dorin, Italy. We are present here at Busworld 2019, and we are presenting a new CO2 compressor. As you well know, Officine Dorin is a leader in technology, so we have more than 25 years of experience with CO2, and we decided to launch this new product in this occasion. It's a transcritical CO2 compressor for mobile HVAC applications. So we all know that e-mobility is very important in these days, so we decided to give our customers this kind of product. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.